Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find devices settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile here like this, and here you, as you see, you will find here devices settings, and that's it. As you see, you can manage your devices settings, and that's it. That's how to find devices settings on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.